time and distance. Now start. Time and distance. Now I am taking the diagram is here. This is the distance, this is the speed, this is the time. See here, d for your distance, d for your distance. Now t for time, s for speed, s for speed. Now distance, I am taking the distance. Distance always now meter per second or kilometers. Distance always must and should be meter per second or kilometer per hour. And speed, now again speed, now speed also now here kilometer. Now here I am taking the speed, the distance is equal to meter for knots here, meter for distance is always in the meters, and speed is always meter per second and kilometer per hour. Distance always meters or otherwise kilometers. Now again speed always meter per second or kilometer per hour. And also time is equal to now always seconds and other and hours. Okay. When the minute is given, again you convert into the hours. When the seconds is given, again you are convert into the now minutes, maybe seconds or minutes. Okay. This is the one table. How to approach in this way? The distance always the meter, 20 meters or 30 meters like this, and kilometer distance always 400 kilometers or 300 kilometers. The speed always meter per second, 20 meter per second like this. Now kilometer per hour, maybe now time is always second or minutes or in hours. Now this is the concept to solving the time and distance. The relation is called as the here distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Now again I am closing the speed. Speed is equal to what? Distance by time. I am closing the here time here. Now time is equal to distance by speed. Now again I am closing this one. Distance is equal to speed into time. Now see that relation is, now relation is here. Distance is equal to the first formula. Distance is equal to distance d is equal to now speed into time. Speed s into time. Now shall I calculate a distance is equal to speed into time. So this is the distance is equal to speed into time. Now again I want the speed. Speed is equal to speed s is equal to now what again? Distance divided by speed. Distance d divided by time. Okay. Now s is equal to d by t. Now one more, what is there here again? Now again time is there here. Time is equal to distance by speed. Now third one is now time is equal to distance divided by d for distance divided by what is the speed. Now t is equal to d by s. Now these three principles to solving the time and distance, but in this three table we are solving the problem. Anyone is constant here. Maybe distance is constant, speed is constant, or time is constant. You can find out the one more variable here. This is the time and work, the formulas. Based on the three formulas you can derive the number of questions. Now one more is most important. Distance when meters are kilometers. Now speed is must and should be meter per second and kilometer per hour, and the time is always seconds or minutes or hours. So this is the relation to the total diagram in this time and distance. Now here how to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. Here this meter per second is given, how to convert into kilometer per hour. Now the speed is given kilometer per hour, how to convert the meter per second. Now see here, to conversion of kilometer per hour into meter per second. To convert into kilometer into meter per second, then you multiply 5 by 18. So kilometer per hour into meter per second, you are multiply with 5 by 18. Now here, see here, 1 kilometer is equal to, why I am multiplying the 5 by 80 here. See here, 1 kilometer is equal to what ma? 1000 meters is there, 1000 meters are there. Now 1 hour is equal to what is 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So here we cancel 2 5s are 2 3s are is equal to 5 by 80. What is there? Kilometer. This is the meter, kilometer per hour into convert into meter per second. I am multiplying with 5 by, here 5 is there here. What is there again here? 6 3s are 18. So I am converting the kilometer per hour into meter per second, multiply with 5 by 18. So this is the 5 by 18. Now see here, 90 kilometer per hour into meter per second. What is the value of meter per second? So 90 kilometer per into meter per second, what is the value here? So again shall I calculate it? 90. Now kilometer per hour convert into meter per second, just you multiply 5 by 18. So 18 ones are 18, 18 5s are. What is the 25 meter per second? This is the value of. Now conversion, I am taking the 190 also. So second problem is 190 kilometers, 190 kilometer per hour convert into meter per second, meter per second. Now again I am taking here solution part, 190 into 5 by 18. So 18 ones are 18. Now I am taking here 190, again you take 180. So 18 ones are 18, one more 10 is there, 10, 1 tens are 180, again 10 is there here, 10 is not usable, again you take one more 100, 10 5s are 90. So again 100, 10 5s are, this again multiply with 2, 50 25, 50 25 27, now 50, now 52. So what is the here? 52.75 kilometer, sorry, meter per second. Converting in the meter per second. This is the conversion of. So when the kilometer per hour is given, to convert into meter per second, multiply with 5 by 18. Now one more. Now when meter per second is given, next one is to conversion of meter per second converted into kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. Now this is the conversion. Now again this is the meter per second to convert into kilometer per hour, just you multiply with 18 by 5. 18 by 5. Now see here, next one. Now 25 kilometer. Now first problem. Now third problem is 25 kilometer from now. 25 meter per second to convert into kilometer per hour. Now here the solution part is here 25 meter per second is given here, kilometer nothing but 18 by 5. So again 5 ones are 5 5s is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. Now one more example, I am taking the one more example. Now 125 meter per second to convert into kilometer per hour. Okay. Now this second conclusion 125. Now this kilometer per hour to conversion meter per second into this one nothing but 18 by 5. Again conversion 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 5s are. So 125 into 8 here. Shall I calculate it? 25 into 180. So here now 18 into 90. So 18 5s are 90, 18 2s are 36, 36 plus 9. Now 36 40 45 450. Okay, here 18 5s are 90, 9 is there, 36 plus 9 36 plus 9 36 plus 9, so 36 plus 9 45. Now this is the meter per second, no sorry, kilometer per hour. This is the kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the introduction to the time and distance. Now what will given here? Only how to find out the distance, and how to find out the speed, how to find out the time period. Now this one, see once more, 18 5 90, 36 36 plus 9, 36 plus 9, okay, 45. Now see the problems. Next one is conversion is over also. How to conversion meter, when the meter per second given the convert into kilometer per hour, multiply with 18 by 5. Again when the convert into kilometer per hour into meter per second, multiply with 5 by 18. This is the conversion of problems. Now one problem. Now next problem is the fifth one. A man traveling 10 kilometers by cycle at the speed of at the speed is 5 kilometer per hour, then find the time taken, then find the time taken, then find the time taken. Now a man traveling 10 kilometers by cycle at the speed is 5 kilometer per hour, then find the time taken. Now this here the question says any one is constant. This okay, here what is the constant here? Time is constant here. So your time is constant. When the traveling man is bicycle 10, the distance also is given, your speed also is given. What is your distance here? Distance is equal to here, what is the distance? Distance is equal to 10 kilometers. Now what is the speed? Speed is also is given. Speed is also, what is that speed? Speed is 5 kilometer per hour. So both are conversion into distance also kilometer, speed also kilometer per hour. Now what you find out? Time is find out. Time is equal to what? Now time is equal to distance divided by speed. So time, you can get the distance. Now here 10 divided by 5 is equal to how many hours? 2 hours will be required. T is equal to 2 hours will be required. So a man can travel a 10 kilometer bicycle at the speed of 5 kilometer, then find the time taken. Now T is equal to 2 hours will be traveling. Now next problem. Find the distance, the speed of the car is, so 135 kilometer per hour, Find the distance, the speed of the car is 135 kilometer per hour, time taken now the 135 kilometer, find the distance, the speed of the car 135 kilometer, time taken in 2 hours, So now the problem, find the distance, the speed of the car is 135 kilometer, time taken in 2 hours. Now the distance is only, the question is distance is asking here. Now the speed is given, the speed of the car is given and time is given. So here distance is equal to speed into time. The speed is 13 kilometer per hour is there. Now time also, both are, the relation is same here. No conversion is occurred here. Maybe is a kilometer per hour is given, hours is given. Now I am taking here speed. What is the speed here? Speed is 135 kilometers into what is in 2 hours is equal to 135 2s are 270. So 305, 13, 26 plus 1, 27. Now what is the distance? Distance must and should be, what is there? Kilometers is there here. The distance, what is the here? Hours is given, kilometer per hour given. Hour will be cancelled here, kilometer will be there is. Now see, the next problem is find the distance in terms of, find the distance in meter, distance in meters, find the distance in meters. The speed of the car is, so 90 kilometer per hour, time taken in 20 minutes, time taken in 20 minutes. They given here minutes is given, so the given minutes is given, how to convert into kilometer. This distance is meters, asking the question is in distance is meter. The speed of the car is 90 kilometer per hour. The 90 kilometer per hour, this conversion into the now meter per second. So 90 kilometer per hour converted into meter per second. So shall I calculate it? 90 into what is there? 5 by 180. So 5 by 18. Shall I calculate it? 19, 18 ones are 18 fives are is equal to what is that? 25 meter. So 25 meter per second. So in terms of the distance is meter, I can get the meter per second. Again this is the given 20 minutes is. 20 minutes nothing but you converted into the time in the seconds. So t is equal to 20 minutes is given. 20 minutes nothing but 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 20 into 60 is equal to 1200 seconds. Okay, you know the meter per second, you know the time, distance is equal, distance in meters, distance in terms of meters, distance is equal to here speed into time. Shall I calculate what is the speed here? Speed is 25 meter per second into what is again into 1200 seconds. So second will be cancelled. So here what? 25 into 12, Shall I calculate? 2 zeros are there here. 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 4, 3. Now how many distances, how many meters? This is the meters. Meters, nothing but here 30,000 meters is there here. 30,000 meters, nothing but in kilometers. You tell me kilometer. 30 kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 30,000 meters. So shall I calculate it? Maybe the distance in meters asking, you take the in terms of meters. Okay, this is the finding the conversion of when the distance in meters is asking. Now you always converted into kilometer per hour into meter per second. You know the meter per second, you know that this is also is given time in minutes. You converted into meter now in into seconds. Those seconds nothing but you multiply with 20. Now one more question. Now 8th one. The distance is now the distance is 500 kilometers. The distance is 500 kilometers. The speed now time is equal to 4 hours. Time is equal to 8 hours. Time is equal to 8 hours. Then find the speed. Then find the speed in meter per second. Speed meter per second. So this is given. So kilometer for the find the speed in meter per second. So now the conversion is here. The distance is 500 kilometer. Time is also is given. Then find the speed in meter per second. So in the meter per second, I am asking the meter per second. What is the conversion of this one? Is the 500 kilometers. That now distance is equal to 500 kilometers. Okay, now time is equal to this one also 8 hours. Now maybe I can find out the speed is equal to total, it will comes under the speed is, but is the conversion of the speed is equal to distance by time. Now what is the time here? 500 kilometers divided by 8 hours. Now this is the 500 nothing but now I am taking the 2 4s are 225s are. Again 2 2s are 2 125s are. The speed is equal to 125 by 2. The speed is equal to 120 by 2. This is the meters. So nothing but what is the, so 10 6 2s are 6 2s are 16 62.5. This is the what speed is equal to meter per, this is kilometer per hour. But I want the in terms of in the speed is meter per second. In terms of meter per second, again conversion what is there? Meter per second. So conversion, find the speed of meter per, this is the kilometer per hours is given. To convert into meter per second, 62.50 into, now kilometer per hour is given meter per second 5 by 18. This is the multiplying this one is equal to again 18 3s are 54, 18 3s are 54. Here 54 nothing but again 14 is there 140. So again 145 nothing but again 18 8s are 126. So 18 7s are. Now we calculate like this: 0 0 5 5s are 25, again 5 2s are 10 12, 5 6s are 30 32 divided by 18. So here 18 1s are 18 nothing but here one more 18 32 18 is over. Now again 14 is there, 14 132 approximately. So 9 18. So this is the distance in the meter per second, 18 meter per second. So this is the approximately in the 18 per meter second. Now I am calculating like this. Now